Introduce yourself, your restaurant. Hi, I'm Chef Himad from New Delhi, and I am the corporate chef of the First Fill Group. What was your strength before the COVID 19 virus? See, I must tell you, our strength is our brand, which is gets lots of love all over the India, and million of people follow the Lord of the Drinks. And whoever wants to do a party, they party at Lord in any city. So, what has been the biggest challenge you have faced before the virus? I think it's not about the virus only. In our hospitality business, every single day is a full of challenges for us because we have to pay, extra attention to our customer, whether it's about their food, whether it's about their services, and the main thing is that what makes you unique. So I think these are the main challenges that we have to face every day, whether it is there is a virus or not. So how did you overcome it? I think overcome is the biggest challenge for our industry. The customer ate your food once, or the customer had your drinks once. Why will he come back to you? So he will come back to you for your experience, your ambience, your food, your music, and for that you need to do a lot of creativity in a certain times so that the customer feel something special, something new in your places. So what do you think is the biggest challenge generated by the virus? So as we are in a gastropub concept where people can enjoy the drinks, food, and music, and at the same time people were comfortable to visit such a crowded places. But the post COVID 19 outbreak, people would be refraining from going out to the same place or overcrowded places. So I think this is the main challenges generated by the virus. So looking at the next 2 months, how do you plan to overcome in it the short terms? So I think restaurants are among the hardest hit businesses in the pandemic situations, and obviously customer are going to have a lot of fear about going to out in a crowded environment. But we have to make them comfortable. We have to follow their safety rules. So we will create a more distance between their table and chairs, and we will follow the hygienic guidelines in the kitchen part also. And at the same time we have to think about our sale part, so that how can we increase our sales, so that we can think about our delivery part also, and we can think about the food fest to increase our sales part. Looking at 2021, what will be the main changes in your restaurant? See, the biggest challenge in 2021 or 2020 is bringing customer back after a long time, and it will require rebuilding of feeling of safety, and of course the food part. They need healthy food, or so as soon as the restaurant will open, we will introduce a new menu which are healthy and boost up their immunity system. So what advice would you like to share with your colleagues in the world? Hello friend, I would like to say that we all should continue showing this solidarity and sensibility during this lockdown period, and we shall and we will come over from this situation very soon. Till then, may God bless us. Thank you so much. What questions would you like to ask them? Yeah, so this question I would like ask to chef who open their kitchen. So chef, what people do like eat more after this COVID-19 virus?